Let's take a look at how to unload and change your roll media on the SureLab D1070. So if you already have media loaded into the printer, you'll first want to press the Unload Roll button located to the left of the Home button on the printer. Press it once and it will unload the roll. You'll then want to place your hand on the output tray in the scrap box, pull it out away from the printer and up, and you can set it down. You'll then place your hand on the drawer and pull it out towards you, and you can see that the media is already unloaded. So you can skip this step if you did not have media loaded into the printer already and just go into loading your roll media. So for this, we'll remove the end caps on both sides. You do this by pulling the levers away from the roll and taking the end caps off. So the SureLab D1070 can handle up to 8-inch width media. We had a 6-inch roll loaded. We'll be now loading on a 4-inch roll. So we're going to take our new media, take the end cap, place it on both sides without locking it into place. The reason for this is we're going to take the middle section of the spindle and reattach it. Make sure that the letters and colors are facing out towards you. And then we will feed this into the spindle caps. The letters and numbers on the spindle piece indicate the size of media being loaded. So you want to make sure that this lines up with the media type size you are loading into the printer. So since this is a 4-inch roll, we're going to push this all the way in till the 4-inch lines up with that blue piece. If all checks out, move the handles up to lock it into place, and we'll drop it back into the printer. We'll then look at the media size indicator on this color strip here and make sure it lines up with the size of media we're loading. Once again, for this example, it's a 4-inch media. We'll shift it there. We'll then load the media into the printer. And you do this by grabbing the paper and feeding it down until you hear an audible beep. Once you hear the beep, readjust the edge guides to fit, and you're good. Retract the drawer back into the printer, take your output tray, find the two hinges right here, make sure they align with the bottom, line it up, make sure they're in, and push the tray towards the printer, and you're good to go. Now you have to follow the LCD panel to choose the media type you're loading to print. From here, you'll want to confirm what media type is loaded into the printer. Right now it says Photo Gloss 250, but we loaded in that 4-inch Luster 250 roll. So instead of clicking register, we'll use the arrow pad to go to change, press OK. And then you'll have the option to choose between paper type or remaining media amount, which we won't have to worry about here. So we'll want to go to paper type, and you'll be given this whole list of different medias we offer at EPSON. But for this example, we just want to go down to the Photo Luster 250, because that's what we have loaded into the printer. Press OK, press back, and just say register, and you're ready to print.